Remix. The legendary Juicy J. Let's go. With all this bread, I need a bigger stomach. My name ring bells so you can hear me coming. Made it all on my own. They ain't give me nothing. And I'm still standing like I said, a crutch. Ain't no way they gon' forget my name. I'm a legend, put me work ever since I came. This in your umbrella, no, it can't stop my reign. You in the carpool, I'm in a different lane. I just wake up every morning, and go get the change. Do my own dirty work, and I won't get a stain. I'm too heavy in this game, and you better know it. Hustle speaks for itself. I ain't even gotta show it.
Let's take him through. Get out of my shot, asshole. Don't you know I'm filming? Don't you know I'm filming? Seriously, what are you eating, you fat bastard? Give me some food. Anyway. So, I don't know, what's this ugly guy called?
No.
Ugly guy?
Diamond.
Huh?
Diamond.
Oh, that's a Dolmo. Kung Fu Panda. We got the Smurfs, Papa Smurf, Clumsy, Smurfette, Scottish guy. We got some emojis. Yeah, some shit there. What are you laughing at? And here at the beginning we got Frozen. We got some Happy Feet. We got the whole Frozen gang there. We got Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Got some Baymax 6, Sesame Street, the Cookie Monster, Big Bird, Elmo, some small, big ones, some head ones. Got some Winnie the Pooh, Minnie and Mickey Mouse, and can't believe I'm forgetting his name right now. No, the frog. What's the frog's name? I forgot his name. I forgot his name. How can you forget the frog's name? The guy's like the most popular thing on the internet. Huh? Yeah. How did we forget his name?
He doesn't even say his name.
Hey, what's the frog's name?
Oh, Kermit the Frog.
Hey, Kermit. Oh my god. Don't worry. That's my missus, my fiance's toilet. Don't know why she got it. She just made me waste like 1,000 points on that motherfucker. He's ugly. That's why I just put him in between the chair there. He's an asshole. Anyway, we got some trolls. We got this funky one here. I've never watched trolls, so I don't know their names. He's very glittery.
Ugly, ugly, and uglier.
We got this pink one. Guessing she's a female. Guessing he's a boy. Blue, pink, boy, girl. Got a giraffe neck looking one. He's got 4 legs. Is he a giraffe? Is that one a giraffe?
I think it's a her.
Is she a giraffe? Yeah, I don't know. We've got this angry one here. Doesn't look happy. What are you looking at? She seems happy. What's wrong, mate? Huh? You're not getting any action? No? Well, man up. No one likes a grouch. Yeah, orange head here. Looks pretty happy. Got this fat one here. It's pretty fat. And they're telling me that that's green. I think it's yellow.
I think it's pink.
You're colourblind. We got the Ninja Turtles. Donatello, Leonardo, Michelangelo, Raphael, Blinky Bill, and I don't know what the other one is called. So un-Australian for me not to know what her name is. And Angry Birds. Got the whole crew here. They're pretty cool. And we got Nemo. Hey, did we mention Nemo?
Nah.
Ghostbusters? The Paw Patrol? The Gremlins? Did we mention them yet? We didn't?
No.
Marvel?
No.
The Marvel? Hulk? Iron Man? Spider-Man? Captain America? I love Marvel. I love their movies. They're pretty cool. Gremlins. They were actually pretty easy to win. I think I won all them with like $20. Was it so? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Lucky day that one. Ghostbusters. Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters. And let me just tell you a story on what got me started on all this. Is this little mother. I call him Francis. I got him when about 8 years ago. and I hadn't played for a long time. And then I just had this guy in my back seat. So, sir, you got in my shirt, sir, sir. I'm telling my story on about Francis.
Hi.
Tell him about Francis. How long have I had him for?
Ages.
He started it all, didn't he? It's all his fault.
He did.
Yeah, we call him Francis. We know he's Sid from Ice Age, but I call him Francis. And Francis, my friend Ali, who won him, we actually picked 3 of these with the one claw grab. I took one, he took the other 2. Anyway, I strapped this guy into my back seat, and the rest is history. Anyway, we saw him, you know, we got him out of storage. He was, you know, locked away in a closet somewhere. Anyway, it reminded me of that win, and we decided we want to play. What are you doing there? Hey baby, she's taking a selfie. I can't turn the camera around, she's taking a selfie. Anyway, we started going to the arcades and playing again, and next minute, 6 months later, this all happened. Yeah, so that's the story of Francis, and got me started in all this. And we got Big Francis. We got the Tiger too from Ice Age. Ghostbusters, Scooby-Doo, got a lot of Scooby-Doo, multicoloured Scooby-Doos. We got one wearing a jumper there, wearing a hoodie. He's a gangster. He's from Bankstown, that guy. What's up, bro?
Oh, the Habibs.
He's a Habib.
It's from the area.
He's from the area, that one. He's wearing a hoodie, bro. Anyway, got the octopus on Ice Age. You made me eat. That's my missus' favourite. She loves it. Don't you, Soap? You got the shark. That's my nephew. He's his favourite. You got the whale. I don't think anybody likes the whale. We got the Secret Life of Pets. Got the whole crew there. Pretty cool. We got the Marvel collection here. A few DC. Aquaman. Wonder Woman. What's happening, mate? What do you want? Say hello.
Hi.
What do you want? You can't get through? Sorry, it is my house for the next
No, it's
couple of minutes, mate.
my house.
I set all these up and make sure I get a good video.
Hey,
Is that alright?
just got a video.
Don't give me attitude, asshole.
How can I get
Hey! What's happening? Who's in the background there? Hey, Noah!
What's up?
What's happening, brother? Say hello.
Much?
Show everyone your hair. My nephew. How long you been growing that, man?
10 years.
10 years. 10 years old.
Female.
Because he's never cut it. That's how I know how old he is. I just asked him how long he's been growing his hair for. Sorry, bro. I don't know how old you are. But now I know you're 10 years old. Lisa, asshole. That's a cool picture of a lion. It's a metaphor for my brother. He's very prideful. I think I've shown you these ones. Anyway, Angry Birds, Turtles, anything good. And going on to my favourite collection, Pokemon. World's biggest Pokemon plush toy collection. That's what I think anyway. And until I see a bigger collection online, it's the biggest. And the biggest toys in the biggest collection as well. What's up, mate? I'm talking to you, buddy. What do you want, mate? What do you want, mate?
Can
What?
I bust through?
No, because you're going to bump those Star Wars there. I'm going to get cranky.
Can I just do that?
Sir, can you just hold on, mate?
No.
Alright, go. You can go through. Go through. Alright. Squirtle, Pikachu, Bulbasaur, Charmander. I don't know what the other guy's name is. This is a funky Pikachu. He's all dressed up, wearing a bow tie. Different colours. Blue, red, pink, aqua. And my biggest Pikachus, these guys are like a metre in height. I don't think the video does it justice. That one's been caught by the wall. We've got an angry Pikachu there. Why are you so upset? Why are you upset? Little bird. No, not yet. I'm just getting this video and then we'll go on. Anyway, we've taken all these out, doing this video
Can I let
because I'm going to start selling all of these. So if anyone is interested, let me know. But these things are massive. They're like, 90 centimeters tall. They're massive. We've got the small ones as well. Got some small ones. We got big ones. But yeah, absolutely crazy. Musa, quiet. What movie?
That one.
Trolls? They're ugly.
I watched it.
Ugh. Was it good?
Yeah, Lisa loves it.
Have you got it?
Yeah, it's on the movie channel.
Oh, well, I don't want to watch it. I just want to collect the toys. Nah, but seriously, it's getting out of hand. This took a couple of hours to set up, man. It's ridiculous. Don't want to go through this again. Hey, Amanda.
Hi.
You impressed or what? Huh?
What a headache. How are you gonna pack it up?
I don't have that problem. I'm gonna go smoke another kilo after this.
So who's gonna clean it up?
You, so. Yeah, you're picking it up. I set it up. Come on, man.
I did too.
Oh, you took it out of the bag. But this is my creativity. I set it up.
God, how many do you have?
Look at my brother's Ducati there. It's taken over by Mario and Luigi. And Donkey Kong's going for a ride too. Yeah, Luigi getting a double there by Mario. What's happening, boys? Yeah, nice Ducati, 1098 yes. Yeah, I'm not a bike fan, but I know that's meant to be something good there. This guy's just got it stored underneath his staircase here. He doesn't ride anymore, so he stored his baby
You moved the Pikachu.
underneath. I'm talking here, woman.
You moved Pikachu.
Huh?
You kicked Pikachu.
Yeah, it's alright. We got the video. That's all that matters. Yeah, so he stores this here because he had a bad accident a couple of years back and busted his shit up. So he just stores his baby underneath the staircase here. Yeah. Yeah. And this is my Mario collection. Check this out. Not yet. Check this out. Here. Look at this. This guy just chilling, wearing a Luigi hat. Monkey's hanging upside down on the staircase. Yeah, like I said, this took forever to set up, man. It's ridiculous. What do you reckon, no?
Yeah.
Impressive or what?
Impressive, right?
I'm impressed. I didn't realise I had this many. These Marios are massive.
Maybe.
No, grab that Mario. Show him how big it is.
This one?
Yeah, grab it. Put it next to you. Don't worry about that one. We'll go step back, step back, step back. Alright, put him up near your head. Show him how big. He is massive. Near a 10-year-old. He's as big as a 10-year-old. Absolutely massive. Have you started packing him up? No. What's that bag?
Mickey.
Here's another plush toy. This one actually moves. I'm gonna punch him in the face. Watch it. And Star Wars. That's the last bit of this collection. Have what? Is it food?
No, come soon.
What is it? I'm taking. Got some Soccer Luigi and Mario. Yeah, rare. Very rare. It was like a World Cup edition. Yeah, look how big this Donkey Kong is. Oh! What the fuck? Hey man, pour me a piece. Seriously.
Oh, which one?
Both. Oh, did I just elbow you in the face? Shit! You took that like a champ. Come here, little boy. Can I pull you by the hair and drag you like a dog?
Oh, God.
Go stand in there amongst them. Oh wait, I'll get you to go up the stairs. Doesn't matter if you knock them over now, just to show them how big
No, they weren't.
the Pokemon. You're gonna be my little comparison dummy.
Wow.
Fuck off! You're like a gold black ghost. I don't know how you get a black ghost. Ghost or
Walk up
what?
the stairs.
That's a bit racist.
It's not racist. He's the brown ghost. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm a very stupid.
Very stupid.
I like goats.
And more big Pokemons.
Oh, this is gonna
Squat down, Alan. Show them how big these Pokemons are. Massive. Massive, bro.
Just like you, bro.
Alright. Noah, come here.
Yeah.
I got a lot of Nemo and Dories now. A lot. Too many.
Yeah.
Alright. Walk through there. Walk through there and sit in the middle of them. Doesn't matter if you knock them over. Go, go, go. Walk them.
All the way out.
Yeah.
Just dive in
Go,
there.
go, go. Just, alright, now go up a bit more, bit more, bit more. Alright, now there. Just sit there.
No, sit in there and like try hide.
Yeah.
See if we can find
That's how big these toys are. They're absolutely massive.
Can you find Noah? There's an
can
animal in there.
Where's Wally?
Where's the one?
Where's Wally?
Where's the one?
Put your shirt. Come out a bit. Where that? Where's Wally? Amanda, where's Wally?
He's there.
Isa, where's Wally? Hey, Wally. Yeah, well, you can see they take up the whole staircase. They're my biggest Pokemon.
No, this one is.
Oh, yeah, that one is. Pick that one up, Chris. Now, my nephew here is about 5'10".
Nah, 6.
No, 6 foot. Nah, get out of here, 6 foot bastard. Yeah, well, as you can see, look how big he is. Massive. I just got them, when? Yesterday and the day before.
And he's the biggest Pikachu.
Yeah, pick it up, Isa.
Pick it up, Isa.
Show us how big it is. How old are you, Isa?
And put the hat on.
I would ask him how long he's been growing his hair to figure out his age, but he hasn't got long hair. Yeah, see? It's as big as his ass. Do you like it?
Yeah.
There you go. There's a 6 foot kid. Where's Wally? They're having some fun there. Smile!
Am I coming
You're on
in?
camera. Smile. This is going to go out on the internet, uncut, unedited, raw. Me slapping you in the back of the head.
Am I coming in?
No, that's it.
Hey, Emma.
Alright guys,
Emma.
that is
My collection.
wrap Omzi's plush toy collection. Peace. Peace. Deuces. Is that the right way around?
Deuces.
Peace.
Peace out.
Peace.
Peace out.
Peace. We out of here. Right,
Get
number.
out of here.
Can I
Yeah.
knock him down the stairs?
Ready? Plush toy
Huh?
fly. Emma, can I knock him?
Oh fuck.
I wanna fucking sleep. What the fuck is this shit?
No, I'm fuck.
What the fuck is this shit?
I'm just filming, bro.
What the fuck is this
No,
shit?
don't kick my toys, man. Don't kick my fucking toys. What the fuck? Take it easy, bro.
Fuck. Get your fucking shit out of here.
Oh fuck me.
hell, man.
Oh,
Get your fucking shit.
that was a big one.
What the fuck is this? I'll
Stop,
fucking kill you,
man.
I fucking catch you. Get this fucking shit.
Bro,
out of here.
stop, man. You've lost the plot. What the fuck? Hey!
What the fuck?
Oh shit,
What
man.
is this shit, man?
Fucking what is laughing? Fuck off. He's gonna fucking kill me. You can't get past the toys, bro. Fuck me. No. No. Stop. Run.